Samsung has officially confirmed that its next Unpacked event will take place on January 22, 2025 in San Jose, California. The event is widely expected to showcase the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Pre-reservations for the Galaxy S25 series are already open, offering incredible perks for early customers. Among the incentives is a chance to win a $5,000 gift card to spend on Samsung.com. Here's what you'll get by reserving a Galaxy S25. $50 credit. Apply towards the device when pre-orders begin after the launch. Up to $900 trade-in credit. Reduce the cost by trading in an eligible device. $300 instant credit. Further cut the upgrade price. These combined savings can add up to $1,250, potentially making the Galaxy S25 upgrade highly affordable for many customers. The best part? Reserving your device is completely free. Simply visit Samsung's online store, enter your email, and secure these benefits, including an entry into the $5,000 giveaway. Samsung has officially released the teaser for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Unpacked event, and there's plenty of exciting news to share. From a leaked image showcasing the phone's ultra-thin bezels to pre-order benefits and a major update on Ki 2 wireless charging, the Unpacked teaser features 2 clips focused on Galaxy AI, which Samsung is dubbing your true AI companion. Mark your calendars, it's all happening on January 22nd. Let's take a look.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
What are we watching today? Something that makes us laugh? Makes us cry? Shows us new worlds? Teaches us new things? Or is it something that we've never watched before? Now TV gets to know you, who you are, what you love, so you can explore so much more. Understand things in new ways. Let your imagination go wild. Made just for you, and you, and you. This isn't just a new television. It's a whole new vision. Because the TV of tomorrow isn't about what's on. It's about who's watching.
Now, a new image offers another close look. Renowned industry tipster Ice Universe, along with another well-known insider, has shared an image of the actual device. This new photo highlights the phone's most significant physical update: sleeker bezels and rounded edges. For several years, Galaxy Ultra phones have featured sharp edges, which I believe gave them a distinctive and premium appearance. However, this image confirms that the S25 Ultra is refining its design to set new standards. With ultra-thin symmetrical bezels, the front design has reached an impressive level. The slightly rounded corners of the frame enhance usability, making it more ergonomic. Additionally, the bezel thickness reduction is a standout improvement. Reports suggest that the S25 Ultra's bezels might measure just 2.3 millimeters, an impressive leap from the 3.35 millimeters bezels on the S24 Ultra. This measurement comes from a leaked aluminum dummy, which is said to match the phone's final dimensions. The cropped image also reveals the right side of the phone, where the side key and volume rockers are seamlessly integrated into the frame. This not only elevates the design aesthetic, but also improves the durability of the buttons, thanks to their reduced protrusion. Samsung is gearing up for an exciting Unpacked event this January, where it will reportedly reveal not just 3, but 4 Galaxy S25 devices. Among them, the Galaxy S25 Slim has caught everyone's attention after appearing in a recently leaked teaser. The mystery of the Slim's release date. Unlike its counterparts, the Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to arrive later in the year. The new report supports this, referencing Samsung's One UI 7 beta, which includes a list of US carrier-specific models. Interestingly, the Galaxy S25 Slim is missing from this list, hinting that it won't launch alongside the first wave of S25 devices running Android 15. Speculation suggests the Slim could debut between April and June 2025, aligning with previous leaks. This staggered release may allow Samsung to create buzz around its new edition. What makes the Galaxy S25 Slim stand out? The Galaxy S25 Slim is packed with high-end specs while promising a sleek and compact design. Key rumored features include a 6.66-inch display offering vibrant visuals, a 200-megapixel main camera complemented by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset delivering top-tier performance, a robust battery capacity ranging between 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. Samsung's big bet on Micron. What does this mean for the future of its flagship devices? Let's break it down. Micron is stepping up as the primary supplier for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series DRAM, dynamic RAM. This surprising move hints at a shift in Samsung's strategy as the South Korean tech giant prepares to launch its new flagship lineup in late January. Reports indicate that Samsung will source most of its Galaxy S25 series DRAM from Micron, despite having its own memory subsidiary. Why? The answer lies in the technological edge Micron's DRAM offers. For the Galaxy S25 series, Micron is set to provide its LPDDR5 DRAM. While Micron has played the role of a secondary vendor for Samsung's Galaxy lineup for over a decade, this marks the first time it takes center stage as the primary supplier. The Galaxy Unpacked event is rumored to take place on January 22 in San Jose, California. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the premium S25 Ultra during the event, with a general release slated for early February. Micron's rise to this position wasn't accidental. Samsung's MX division made this decision after evaluating performance, costs, and overall requirements, ultimately giving Micron the upper hand. This decision, however, raises concerns about Samsung's in-house DRAM technology, which might be lagging behind in critical areas. Here we have the first official hands-on video and leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Let's take a look. In this video, we take a closer look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which boasts a sleek and shining glass finish. The design includes rounded corners for a refined aesthetic. The camera ring layout remains unchanged, resembling the setup seen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The power and volume buttons are conveniently placed on the right side of the device. Galaxy S25 Ultra release date. Samsung is expected to host its first Unpacked event of 2025 on January 22 in the US, with San Jose being the most likely venue. During this event, the Galaxy S25 series will be officially unveiled and pre-orders are set to commence on the same day. Pre-reservations are anticipated to open by mid-January, following the release of the first teaser. The official invitation for the Unpacked event could drop at any moment. According to reports, the Galaxy S25 series will be launched internationally on February 6 or 7. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has made headlines with impressive performance benchmarks. Recently, the device, identified as model SM-S9380 for the Chinese market, appeared online. Interestingly, this model features the same chipset as the US version. In its latest Geekbench test, the Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 3049 in single-core and 9793 in multi-core performance. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, an overclocked variant, and comes with 12 gigs of RAM as its base configuration. This recent Geekbench listing indicates that Samsung is still optimizing the device. Notably, an earlier listing from 2 months ago showed the multi-core score surpassing the remarkable 10,000-point threshold, setting new performance benchmarks. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.